The Art of Meditation. Welcome to the Art of Meditation, a transformative series, and I invite you to embark on an inward journey of self-discovery, mindfulness, and profound serenity. In this series, I will help you to unlock the timeless secrets of meditation and guide you on a path towards inner peace, balance, and holistic well-being. What can you expect to learn from this particular course? Is foundations of meditation to practical techniques that lead to tranquility, self-awareness, and more. I will help you explore it all. Let's dwell into the science behind meditation's remarkable benefits, and I will hope to provide you with tools to harness its power in your daily life. But this journey isn't about knowledge, it's about experience, and I will take you by the hand and walk you through the steps, inviting you to immerse yourself in the practice of meditation. Inner depth work is very profound, and as we navigate this together, we'll navigate all the challenges and savor the moments of bliss and uncover the inner wisdom that resides within you. So let's embark on this journey together and discover the boundless treasures that await within the sanctuary of your own heart and mind.